Now, what is Jenkins? Jenkins is an open source server that is written entirely in Java. It lets you execute a series of actions to achieve the continuous integration process, that too in an automated fashion. The CI server runs in servlet containers such as Apache Tomcat. Jenkins facilitates continuous integration and continuous delivery in software projects by automating parts related to build, test, and deployment. This makes it easy for developers to continuously work on the betterment of the product by integrating changes to the project. Features of Jenkins. It is easy to install and configure. Jenkins is a self-contained Java program that is agnostic of the platform on which it is installed. It is available for almost all the popular operating systems such as Windows, different flavors of Unix, and Mac OS. It is available as normal installer as well as a .war file. Once installed, it is easy to configure using its web interface. Now it's an open source, so it is free to use. It is an open source. There is a strong involvement of the community, which makes it a powerful CI/CD tool. You can take support from Jenkins community, whether it is like extensibility, support, documentation, or any other feature related to Jenkins. Also, the thriving plugin ecosystem. So the backbone of Jenkins is the community, and the community members have been instrumental in the development and testing of close to 1,500 plugins available in Update Center and more actually. Also, it is easy distribution. So Jenkins is designed in such manner that makes it relatively easy to distribute work across multiple machines, platform, for accelerated build, testing, and deployment. So now the question, how does Jenkins work? So as you can see from here, Jenkins master will distribute its workload to the agent. So we have Jenkins master and we have Jenkins agent or nodes. So the master distribute the work to the agent, and Jenkins agent are generally required to provide the desired environment. It works on the basis of requests received from Jenkins master. So Jenkins agent work as the Jenkins master wants. Another picture like this. So we have a remote source code repository, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, whatever, code commit, whatever. Jenkins master builds the code every time there is a commit. So any event happened here on this SCV, Jenkins master will build the code and it will start running on different agent, depends on the job. So we have agent Linux, we have agent Mac OS, Windows, whatever. So Jenkins master distributes its workload to all the agent, depends on the type of job, of course. On request from Jenkins master, the agent carry out builds and test and produce test reports.